In the courtroom, lawyers wield both skill and rhetoric to advocate for their clients. Yet, even the most seasoned lawyers are susceptible to making mistakes that can have significant repercussions on the outcome of a case. To begin, one of the most prevalent mistakes is inadequate preparation. Lawyers must not only be well-versed in the law, but also intricately familiar with the specifics of the case they are presenting. This involves scrutinizing every piece of evidence, anticipating counter-arguments, and preparing witnesses thoroughly. A lack of preparation can lead to overlooked details, misinterpretation of facts, or an inability to effectively counter the opponent's arguments. Consequently, this can weaken the lawyer's credibility and diminish the client's chances of a favorable verdict. Next, improper handling of evidence is another critical error. Evidence is the cornerstone of any case, and mishandling it can lead to devastating effects. Lawyers must ensure that evidence is both admissible and persuasive. This involves understanding rules of evidence, properly cataloging items, and clearly articulating their relevance to the jury. Failing to adhere to these standards can result in evidence being excluded, weakening the overall argument, and potentially costing the case. Moreover, the art of cross-examination requires finesse and control. Lawyers often make the mistake of being overly aggressive or confrontational with witnesses. While attempting to discredit a witness, the lawyer runs the risk of appearing biased or unprofessional, which in turn can alienate the jury. Effective cross-examination is an art that balances assertiveness with respect, aiming to extract truth without overstepping professional boundaries. Communication style also plays a pivotal role in courtroom success. Lawyers may falter by using overly complex language or jargon that confuses rather than enlightens. Engaging with both the judge and jury in clear, concise, and impactful language is crucial. Failure to explain technical or legal points in an accessible manner can lead to misunderstanding and misinterpretation, hindering the lawyer's ability to persuade and inform. Another common pitfall is underestimating the jury. Lawyers must always be aware of the jury's perceptions and sentiments. Assuming that the jury inherently understands legal nuances or shares the lawyer's perspective can be detrimental. Lawyers must diligently gauge the jury's reactions and adjust their approach accordingly, ensuring that their narrative resonates and aligns with the jury's values or emotions. Concluding our examination, emotional detachment can be a double-edged sword. While maintaining a professional demeanor is crucial, a complete lack of empathy may cause the lawyer to appear indifferent. These common mistakes can cumulatively or individually alter the course of a trial. By recognizing and addressing these errors, lawyers can significantly bolster their effectiveness in court, advocating more successfully for their clients and minimizing the risk of unfavorable outcomes.